Your dog licks your face like their life depends on it, but is it affection or are they just after the salt on your skin? I've had dogs my entire life, and this question kept bugging me. Turns out it's actually both. Dogs are drawn to the salty taste of our skin, um, especially after we sweat. But licking is also how they show affection and bond with their pack. So next time your dog goes in for a face wash, just know they're saying, I love you and you taste good.